Hello from Dhaka, this is Rahman and you are watching Basis News. It's that time of the year when songs of love, unity and humanity fill the air of Kushtia. For the first time, the Lalon Smaron Utshab or Lalon Memorial Festival is being celebrated as a national event, marking 135 years since the passing of Fakir Lalon Shah, the mystic who taught the world to see divinity in humankind. The 3-day festival runs from 17th to 19th October, carrying the soulful slogan Manush Bhojle Sonar Manush Hobi. That is, if you love people, you will become a worthy person. The celebration brings together devotees, bauls, and musicians from across the country.
দেশ এবং দেশের বাইরে থেকে বিভিন্ন সাধুগুরু এসেছে, তাদের বিভিন্ন জায়গায় কাফেলা হয়েছে। কাফেলাগুলোতে সাহিত্যেরই বলে যাওয়া বাণীগুলো তারা করবে এবং খুব সুন্দরভাবে উপভোগ হবে এবং বিভিন্ন দর্শনার্থীরাও আসবে, বাইরে থেকে আসবে। আমরাও এসেছি তার দর্শনগুলোকে উপভোগ করার জন্য।
The heart of it all is Cheuria, Kumarkhali, Kushtia, the home of Lalon Akhra, where the saint lived, sang and spread his message of spiritual freedom. Since the Bengali year 1297, after Lalon's death, this sacred ground has remained alive with his spirit. From dawn to dusk, the festival grounds come alive with bhaav-geeti, soulful baul performances, and discussions on Lalon's timeless philosophy, all celebrating his dream of a world free from barriers of caste, creed, and religion. The government officially declared 17th October as Lalon Shah's National Death Anniversary Day, directing all ministries and devotions to honor it properly each year. The district administration has made extensive preparations for the festival. It will be officially inaugurated this evening by Cultural Affairs Ministry Advisor Mustafa Sarwar Faruqi. This year's festival is being organized by the Lalon Academy in collaboration with the Ministry of Cultural Affairs and the Kushtia District Administration. Already, followers and visitors from across Bangladesh and abroad have begun arriving at Shaiji's Dham to remember their spiritual teacher, to seek wisdom, to purify the soul, and to find inner peace. According to Deputy Commissioner Abu Hasnat Muhammad Arifin, performances by renowned Lalon singers and artists will be held every night on the main stage of the Akhra Bari, alongside discussions about Lalon's life and teachings. A large Lalon fair is also taking place on the banks of the Kali River under tight security. CCTV cameras and watchtowers have been installed to ensure the safety of all visitors. The songs of Lalon are not just music, they are a call to understand humanity itself. As people gather in Kushtia under the autumn sky, they remember the saint who taught that true divinity lies within the human heart. Through the Lalon Smaron Utshab, his message continues to echo. To know yourself, you must first know mankind. That's all for now. For more videos like this, keep your eyes on BSS. Thanks for watching.